Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. This Monday we are going to be seeing isolated thundershows starting early over the western and central interior. Then in the afternoon and towards the evening hours we should see these storms spreading into the northeastern areas and also southwards into the south coast as well as parts of the east coast. It's going to be dry, however, for much of KwaZulu-Natal and parts of Mpumalanga. We are also expecting a dry day with partly cloudy skies along the southwest coastline, and we are watching that cold front which is slowly heading towards our shores. Now you can expect up to a 40% chance of thundershows for your Monday across much of the interior in the areas highlighted by the light shades of blue, and that also includes parts of Gauteng, Limpopo and the northeastern parts of the Mpumalanga province. Now there is a watch in place for severe thunderstorms that could produce large hail and damaging winds this afternoon over the southeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Let us take a look at the top temperatures for your Monday afternoon. It's going to be pretty hot in most areas. Temperatures will stay in the lower 30s across much of the northwest as well as over Gauteng. A bit cooler for Polokwane, warming to 28, but a sizzling hot 35 is forecast around Palabora. It's going to be hot across much of the Eastern Cape with temperatures around 31 for Bloemfontein and Welcome. Hot as we go further south towards Komani, 35, 37 for the high in Mthatha. A hot one is also forecast over the KwaZulu-Natal interior. We are going to stay with fresh to strong northeasterlies this Monday along the KZN coastal areas, moderate southwesterlies for East London and Port Elizabeth, where temperatures in the upper 20s are expected. It's going to be hotter, however, over the southern interior, where highs in the mid to upper 30s are expected. Frendera should warm to around 31 degrees. We are expecting highs in the mid to upper 20s along the south and the southwest coastline. Fresh winds around Muizenberg. Moderate winds are expected along much of the south coast, where a southwesterly swell is expected with swell heights averaging around 2 meters. It's going to be hot once again for much of the northern Cape. Temperatures in the upper 20s and lower 30s for much of the province. A hot 36 for the high in Appington. We're expecting fresh southwesterlies for your Monday around Cape Town, Langaban, Lambert's Bay, as well as Alexander Bay. A high of 29 is forecast for Cape Town. Highs in the upper 20s are also expected around Langaban. On Tuesday, we are going to have unsettled weather across much of the interior. It's going to be cloudy with rain for Cape Town, George, and Port Elizabeth.